Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're reviewing the Master Massage Apollo Extra Large Size Portable Massage Chair, a game changer for anyone in need of a high-quality, portable massage chair. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link below for the best price available today. Master Massage Apollo Extra Large Size Portable Massage Chair. The Master Massage Apollo Portable Massage Chair is designed to meet the demands of both professionals and home users. Whether you're a therapist looking for a reliable, comfortable chair or simply need a sturdy, portable chair for relaxation, this model has you covered. Here's why the Apollo Extra Large Size is a top choice for many. Ultimate comfort and support. One of the standout features of the Apollo massage chair is its extra large size, which provides a spacious and comfortable experience, especially for those who need a bit more room to feel relaxed. The larger cushions give ample support to your body, making it an ideal choice for long massage sessions. The padding is soft but firm enough to support your posture, ensuring that you stay comfortable even during extended use. Lightweight and portable design. The Master Massage Apollo is designed with portability in mind. Despite its larger size, it's made from lightweight aluminum, making it incredibly easy to transport. You won't have any trouble setting it up or packing it away after a session. Plus, it comes with a wheels bag, making it even easier to carry around wherever you go. The foldable design ensures that you can easily store the chair when not in use, making it perfect for small spaces or on-the-go massage professionals. Perfect for tattoo artists and massage therapists. This massage chair is an excellent choice for tattoo artists, as it allows clients to comfortably sit or recline during sessions. The ergonomic sitting posture is perfect for ensuring clients are comfortable for longer durations, and the adjustable settings allow you to easily customize the chair for various body types and positions. It's also great for massage therapists, offering a steady base and supportive cushioning that enhances both client comfort and the ease of your work. You'll have full access to clients' upper and lower backs, allowing you to perform a variety of techniques without compromise. Durability and practical features. In addition to its comfort, the Master Massage Apollo is built to last. The lightweight aluminum frame ensures long-term durability, and the chair is designed to hold up to 350 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of body types. The adjustable face cradle and armrests ensure that every client can be positioned comfortably for a perfect massage experience. Conclusion. If you're looking for a portable massage chair that combines comfort, durability, and ease of use, the Master Massage Apollo Extra Large Size Portable Massage Chair is an excellent choice. Its lightweight aluminum frame, larger cushions, and portability make it perfect for professionals and home users alike. Whether you're a tattoo artist, massage therapist, or simply want a chair for personal use, this chair will provide the relaxation and comfort you need. So, if you're in the market for a new massage chair, don't forget to check the link below for the best price available today.